This one's a long run, so let's read it together. Well, okay, pause the video, read it yourself, try to figure if it's true or false, go through all the different parts. Let's go through all the different parts together. So, automatic private IP address. It is APIPA, that's the abbreviation for it, and it does allow a Windows host, so your own computer on like a network or wherever, to can self-configure an IPv4 address and subnet mask when the domain host configuration protocol DHCP is unavailable. The domain host configuration protocol, or DHCP, basically is supposed to automatically give it an IP address. However, if it can't communicate with the DHCP, it automatically gives itself an IP address, and this is known as APIPA, the automatic private IP address. So APIPA uses an address block range between 169.254.0.0 and 169.254.255.255. This is true. This is the specific IPv4 range reserved strictly for APIPA. And then the block that is private, like dedicated, is 169.254.0.0/16, fully reserved for APIPA. APIPA-assigned addresses are valid only for communications within a network segment that a given host is connected to. A host with APIPA-assigned addresses cannot connect to the internet. This is true. If you can't go through the DHCP, you can't go out through the internet, but you still might be able to communicate with other devices that are plugged into the same network. Everyone, think of it as you all live in the same country. That's your network. If you try to go out, you need a passport. That is like your DHCP. That's the passport to go out into the internet. If you don't have that, you can only travel around inside your country. And so that's basically the same thing that's happening here. If you have APIPA, you can still go around your network, you just can't reach out. So this would be true.